Greetings and welcome to Meditation Meds, where we believe meditation and looking within is the best medicine. In this introductory video, you will be connecting your subconscious mind with your conscious thoughts, which will lead to a more positive emotional state of awareness. I will be your guide on your journey of I Feel affirmations, which are designed to help you realign and rebalance both your energy flow and breathing. You'll accomplish these by repeating each affirmation after me and allowing yourself to let go of all tension, stress, and intrusive thoughts with every syllable you pronounce. Give yourself permission to release dense energies and embrace those energies that exist to enlighten your body, mind, and spirit. Please ensure that you're wearing comfortable clothing and are in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and let's focus on your breathing. Slowly breathe in for a count of 3. And slowly exhale for a count of 5. Good. Now, let's begin. I feel in the here and now. I feel in the here and now. I feel calm and relaxed in my surroundings. I feel calm and relaxed in my surroundings. I feel compassion towards myself and towards others. I feel grateful for everything and everyone in my life. I feel connected to myself, within and without. I feel healthy, strong, and able. I feel motivated to walk my path of love and enlightenment. I feel uplifted and dedicated to myself and those around me. I feel as though I can manifest everything and anything that I consider possible. I feel aligned with my true purpose in life. I feel happy and content. I feel at peace. Allow yourself a moment of bliss, of nothingness, of just being. Remember that you are a divine being. Think it, remember it, believe it, and know it. Thank you for taking me on your journey, and I hope to see you here again soon on Meditation Meds.